Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokche Design. In this video, you're going to learn how to create a dramatic black and white portrait in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start by creating a brand new group, then bring in a hue saturation adjustment layer inside the group. Rename it to color to black and white, then bring in one more hue saturation layer and rename this layer to desaturate. Drag the saturation slider all the way to the left for the desaturate layer, then activate the color to black and white layer. Change the blend mode to color to preserve the luminosity of the original background. Enter a value of -50 for the hue slider, then select reds from the color dropdown. Enter +35 for the saturation slider, then select yellows from the color dropdown. Here, enter -80 for the saturation slider. Next, select the background layer, then bring in a solid color adjustment layer. Choose black and then hit OK. Duplicate the background layer and drag it above the color fill layer. Activate the quick selection tool in the toolbar, then hit select subject in the options bar. Now select group 1 and then click on the add layer mask button. Enter 70% for the density slider, then drag the background copy layer inside group 1. Select the layer mask of the group 1 layer, then activate the brush tool from the toolbar. Ensure that the opacity is set to 100%, flow is set to 5%, and the foreground color is set to black. Now slowly paint over the areas of the model that you don't want to be in focus. Next, create a brand new layer outside the group and rename it to Sharpen. Activate the Sharpen tool from the toolbar and make sure Sample All Layers is checked, Protect Detail is checked, and the strength is set to 10%. Now carefully paint over the model's face to sharpen it. Bring in a curves adjustment layer, then bring the curves line up a bit in the highlights area and down a bit in the shadows area to improve the overall contrast. Finally, let's look at the before and after images. Looks good to me. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.